What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're creating a pencil illustration of Moon Knight from Marvel Rivals. Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we need a sketch pad and a pencil. I'll begin today's sketch off with this 0.7mm mechanical pencil with a 2B graphite stick, but you're welcome to use whatever you'd like. Now the first thing we want to do is break down the basic shape and composition of our drawing before we get into the details. So let's start by sketching a line coming down the center of our page. We're going to start at the very top in the middle. Just going to lightly work our way down the center, coming all the way down towards the bottom using these short lines. Let's move to the center and draw another line going across from left to right. We don't want to go too dark, we're going to eventually erase this out. Now with our guidelines in place, we're going to start blocking out the main structure of the head. So let's use this as the center point. Just going to angle the hood, going up and then out towards the left. It doesn't matter how long we make this line. Go back to the center, go up and out towards the right. Now we're going to define the width of the head. Let's start up at the top, right about here. We're just going to angle the hood, coming down and out towards the bottom left. And we're going to rotate the head slightly over towards the left. So let's line this up all the way over towards the right. We're going to come straight down. And again, it doesn't matter how long we make these lines. Now along the edge of the hood, we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath. So let's start up here. Angle this down and in. Do the same thing on the right. Come down and then in underneath that tip. Now we're going to move out to the left side. We're going to draw a straight line coming all the way down to right about there. And then the right side is going to get tucked in behind the edge of the hood. Let's go all the way down towards the bottom. Right about here, it's going to locate the chin with a straight line. Let's angle this up and then out towards the side. Now from the outside of the eye, draw a straight line coming down. Now somewhere along the bottom, we're just going to draw a straight line across the edge of the chest. We're going to use this as a guide. Now we're going to bend the bottom edge of the hood, starting on the left, coming down and then in towards the center line. And then we're just going to angle this up towards the right. Now we're going to go back up to this point, right where this line meets the side of the head. We're just going to follow the angle of the chin and jaw, coming down towards the middle, angle this up towards the right. Now we're going to start working our way around the outside of the head. So let's move up that center line to right about here. Angle this down and out towards the left and right side. Now over on the left side, we're going to come down on the outside of the hood and just bring that all the way down towards the bottom. And then over on the right, come straight down. Now the shoulders are going to start along this line. So we're just going to slope this down and then out. Let's add a line going across the top of the hood, starting in the center, angle this up and then out. Now go back and just quickly clean up our drawing, just erasing some of these guidelines. Now I'm going to be using this rough sketch as a guide to help us modify the shapes and add some more detail. Let's start with that inside point. I want to remove that straight line, so I'm just going to give this a slight bend and adding some folds, going up and then out towards the side. Now I'm just going to add some shape to the inside edge of the hood. Starting on the left, just going to bring this down, bend this back out, and then over on the right side, we're just going to fold this in and then come down. Let's round out the bottom. I'm going to go back and add some shape and detail to the eyes. Let's add a bevel along the bottom. So just going to trace out the eye along the outside and then the bottom. Giving the eye a slight bend, a curve. Now let's add that detail to the mask. let's add the detail across the hood. I'm just going to add a little fold across the bottom, just bending this in and then down towards the edge of the chest. And then on the right side, we're just going to follow this line coming down, go a little bit darker, and then again, just putting that in underneath. Now along the shoulder line, I'm just going to add those folds. So we're going to go out, come down, just bend that in, fade that out, and just going to layer this going out towards the side. And now I'm just going to go back and do a quick cleanup before I add some more detail and shading. And now I'm going to switch to a thicker pencil. This is my 0.9 millimeter. I'm going to add some contrast. So some thick and thin lines going across, starting with the edge of the hood, across the tip. And we're just going to layer on some more detail as we go. So adding some folds across the bottom. And then we're just going to layer on some more bevels across the face. I'm just going to add a little bit of texture inside that detail. back in and just darken up the inside edge of the hood. And then as you come down towards the bottom, I'm just going to fade this out gradually. So a little bit more light, just picking up along the bottom edge. I'm going to switch over to the side edge of my 2mm pencil and just add a light shade to the neck area. And I'm going to imagine the light's coming down across our character in a slight angle so the shadows will sit along the bottom edge. So we're going to start from the jawline, we're going to come down an angle and then curve that out. I just want to darken up that shadow that the head's casting on the neck, and then we're going to fade that down. The shadow's going to be darker underneath the head. I'm just going to darken out that trim area around the eyes and face. I'm going to add a medium shade to the right side of that center line. Also going to shade in the right side of the hood. Again, this area is sort of a little bit more into shadow than the left side. So going a tone darker. And now we're going to add a core shadow, just along the top of the head on the left. We're going to leave a little bit of a gap to create a bit of a highlight, and then just gradually fade that down. I'm just going to add in those fine details. Now as we get closer to the end of our drawing, I'm just going to tighten up my shadows and detail, and always be sure to sign my artwork. And that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of Moon Knight from Marvel Rivals. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll try to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.